For decades, pickup trucks have been the backbone of American industry, hauling timber across mountain roads, carrying crops across Midwest plains, and surviving brutal punishments that would cripple just about anything on four wheels. But when these workhorses finally succumb to rust and abandonment, only a few people have the courage to salvage them.
A little bit I can see of it.
Oh my gosh. That is the biggest rat's nest I've ever seen in my life. We're gonna have to address this column here, probably replace it or tear into it.
And today, we're telling the stories of those brave restorers and the machines they saved.
This is the first real drive of the truck.
From a Ford F100 buried halfway into the earth to a Dodge Power Wagon frozen in the woods for over 40 years, these are 10 of the most insane rusted truck restorations ever attempted on YouTube. Our first bout is between this half-buried 1965 Ford F100 and the amazing restorers at Turn and Rust. Led by Wyatt and Lance Bush, this team has become famous for giving vehicles a second chance at life. But the damage on this one was on another level. It's missing so many critical parts, including the truck bed. But after a brief assessment, Wyatt and Lance Bush agreed that it was worth saving, so they pulled it out of the woods and hauled it straight to their workshop where the real magic happened. Like a Formula One pit crew working in perfect sync, they tackled every faulty component on this truck. That includes the engine, tires, interior, and truck bed. The chassis and rusty body panel were also not left out. Both received extensive care, and within a twinkle of an eye, this 1965 Ford F100 was back on the road. In terms of aesthetics, the truck wasn't all that flashy because obviously it didn't get a new paint job. But take nothing away from the efforts that Wyatt and Lance put in. They went out of their way to rescue a legend on the edge of destruction. And by doing so, they showed that with the right skill and dedication, even a condemned machine can be revived again. Next up is this lifted Ford F250 Highboy from 1976. Word around town says it hasn't moved an inch in 18 years, and you can already tell from the way it looks. The body panels are riddled with dust and rust, and the tires have definitely seen better days. And if you ask me, I would say this thing has more chance of landing in a scrapyard than racing on a highway. But the craftsmen from WD Detailing think otherwise. They've traveled all the way from Ohio to check it out, and despite a rough first look, they decided they're going to restore it. So they hauled it back to base, and once they arrived, it was go time. Heaps of dirt were cleared out from the truck bed, and the whole thing was scrubbed super hard until it was shining like a freshly minted penny. With the same determination, they tackled other defects across the truck, from the tires to the windshield, engine, chassis, headlights, and finally the interior. Now, you could argue that the outcome wasn't the most outrageous, but the level of detailing that went into the restoration was absolutely top-notch. I am sure real automobile enthusiasts would enjoy watching every bit of the journey, because they know that sometimes restoration isn't about throwing flashy paint around. It's about preserving the original details of the vehicle. Moving on, we've got this Chevy S10 from the late 1980s, found by Robbie Ferrari. Now, this project is one of the tricky ones because it was done right in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. With auto shops locked down just like every other business across the globe at the time, Robbie must have had difficulties buying spare parts. And yet, he needed to fix an entire lineup of faults, including a messy wiring harness, seized brake pads, and worn tires. I know that sounds like Mission Impossible, but guess what? He managed to fix them all. The only things that were left unfixed were the door lock on the right, which was damaged by burglars, and a few dents on the rocker. But other than that, every single defect on this 1987 Chevy S10 truck was corrected, all thanks to Robbie. His success with this project proves that even in difficult situations like a global pandemic, a determined person will always find solutions. From Robbie's base in Ontario, we go straight to Vice Grip Garage in Minnesota, where Derek is about to take on a Ford F100. Manufactured in 1978, this bad boy had lived a rough life, and the consequences of those brutal years were beginning to bite hard. The engine sounded like a mini tractor without an exhaust, the interior was in dire need of a full makeover, and considering how pale the exterior looks, a full-scale paint job wouldn't be out of order. That was going to cost extra money though, and Derek was trying to do this project on a budget. That ultimately made the restoration more complicated, but Derek carried on anyway. With some help from his sons, Brad and Bentley, he revived the engine and reinforced the chassis. Then he stepped into the interior and completely transformed it from a wreck site to a luxurious cabin. Next, he reached out to his buddy Kevin for a solid bodywork and paint job. And finally, he put the bonnet back on, installed a new set of tires, and did some last-minute finishing to bring the restoration to a close. When you cast your mind back to how this project panned out, there are a lot of lessons to learn, particularly in the way Derek bonded with his sons through his craft. Right there in his garage, he's building and shaping the next generation of YouTube restorers, and honestly, it's something that other parents should adopt. For our next entry, we have this Ford OBSF 250 as our patient, with the guys from Drive Hub as the surgeons on duty. After sitting in the barn for such a long time, its condition was a mess. The chassis and truck bed were covered in rust, the wheels were seized, and the oil cooler looked pretty rough. But these restorers had faith that it could be saved, so much that they traveled across 3 states to retrieve it. And once they got it back to the workshop, they immediately set out to fix every damaged component. From the chassis to the oil cooler, wheels, and crossmember, nothing was left untouched. The only thing missing was the truck bed. That's because at the time of making this video, the Drive Hub team hadn't released that part of the series. But based on their latest episode, we know a replacement has already been secured, and in due time, this Ford OBSF 250 will get its truck bed. So there's absolutely no need to panic. If anything, we should applaud the restorers for restoring what many others would have scrapped. The final result proves that with belief, patience, and hard work, anything can be transformed. So far, we've seen a half-buried truck come back to life and another restored right in the middle of a pandemic. But trust me, we've got so many insane restorations to show you, including a Power Wagon that was brought back to life after 40+ years of neglect. So make sure to watch this video to the end and hit that like button. Every insane truck restoration typically starts with a badly damaged vehicle. But when you see a 1937 GMC abandoned in the wild with a horse chewing grass beside it, you know it's really bad. The first problem in the restoration was the overgrown grass that trapped the truck. But the determined restorers from Turn and Rust were able to clear it with a chainsaw. With the truck now free from its shackles, they hauled it back to the garage for what would be a remarkable restoration. They swept off decades of dust and dirt, gave new life to the engine, and replaced the tires. However, the main surprise was the exceptional work they did on the exterior. That sleek paint job basically completed the transformation of this 1937 GMC from a forgotten relic to a superstar on wheels. And that, for me, is evidence that sometimes beauty can be found in the most unlikely places. For some projects, it is found in the barn. For others, it is found in the swamp. But for our next entry, it was found right in what looks like a mini forest. Meet the 1953 Dodge B3, a legendary truck that was once again discovered by the guys from Turning Rust. Yeah, I know, they've become masters at spotting gems, but this one was going to test them in a different way, especially the engine bay, which was filled with a sea of rusted parts. On top of that, the transmission was faulty, and the brakes were totally gone. While most people would have thrown in the towel at this point, these guys threw everything they've got at the truck. They tackled it from all directions, installing a new exhaust pipe, changing all 4 tires, and slapping some fancy lettering and logos on both sides. And they managed to do all that work just in time to get the Dodge B3 ready for a Christmas parade. Unfortunately, the truck broke down right in the middle of the parade. They literally had to push it through the parade route. But somehow, Wyatt and Lance still won first prize. And that's a resounding lesson to the rest of us to never give up, even when we think we've not done enough. Because sometimes our worst performance might just be enough to clinch the top prize. This GMC 3500 long bed has a history that dates back to the 1970s. But today, it all circles back to Dylan McCool. Actually, Dylan's grandfather used to own the truck but sold it in the 80s. The new owner used it for a while and decided to willingly return it to Dylan's family just before they passed on. The gesture was of course heartwarming, but the truck was no longer what it used to be. It hadn't run in 3 decades, and all 4 tires were flat. But Dylan wasn't going to allow that rot to continue for another second. He rebuilt the carburetor, serviced the engine, fixed the brakes, and repaired the wheels. He also did extensive work on the body panels, sanding and polishing every part that he could reach. Then, He sprayed multiple coats of paint until this GMC 3500 was ready to be shown to the world again. Safe to say, what Dylan did here is beyond mere restoration. It's a labor of love that ensures the legacy of this legendary truck is preserved for future generations. Up next is this 1960 Chevy C10 Apache that arrived at the WD detailing garage with a lot of promise. On one hand, the previous owner claimed it only needed a few tweaks to become roadworthy again. But the reality is it hasn't coughed in 2 decades, let alone come on. To make things worse, the tires were torn, the panels were dusty, and the truck bed was a complete mess. Surely it's going to take a lot of work to fix them all, and this restorer was keen to do it in the shortest time possible. First, they did a thorough spray wash and cleaning on the body. It may not really sound like much, but trust me, that singular act put this truck firmly on the path of redemption. Next, they extended their magic touch to the interior, and within minutes, it was unrecognizable. Next, they got help from Bruce Burns' workshop to redo the woods on the truck bed. Finally, mechanics from Forza Automotive fixed the engine and tires. And just like that, this 1960 Chevy C10 was back on its feet and ready to hit the road again. But beyond the truck, the collaboration among these diverse craftsmen was a timely reminder that nothing beats teamwork. Restoring a Dodge Power Wagon that's stuck in the woods is a daring challenge. But knowing that it's been sitting there for over 4 decades makes it even worse. First, you don't really know how much damage you'd find. And even when you do, the fix could cost hundreds or thousands of dollars. But the restorers from Budget Builds think they can get it running without breaking the bank. So they towed the wagon back to their garage, and once they settled in, they worked tirelessly to save everything that needed to be saved. The engine, cabin, and body panels all got special attention from the restorer as he transformed this wagon from a wreck to a functioning truck. After all that hard work, he treated himself to a nice ride in the newly restored truck. It didn't have the perfect finishing, of course, but it had all the signatures of an iconic truck, one that has survived the impossible and was ready to serve again. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, 10 of the most insane rusted truck restorations ever attempted on YouTube. Which one of them caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to check out the next video, where we explore 5 of the most extreme military vehicle restorations.